Hi guys, I'm Paul. In this video I'm going to deep dive into Sei, which is the fastest layer 1 blockchain currently on the market. I'm going to explain how many Sei I think you'll need to be a millionaire, and I'll also give my detailed price prediction for the next bull run. I will cover Sei's tokenomics, as well as key points to consider, and the future outlook for the Sei network. I'll also compare Sei and Solana's ecosystem, so keep watching to see which blockchain comes out as the winner. The information in this video is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Okay, now let's begin. About Sei. Sei is an open source permissionless scalable layer 1 blockchain designed for decentralized trading applications. It uses a twin turbo consensus mechanism that allows it to achieve a high level of performance and finality time of just 380 milliseconds. This enables it to be classed as the fastest layer 1 blockchain currently on the market, surpassing Solana in terms of speed. As a decentralized proof of stake blockchain, Sei enables its token holders to earn rewards in the form of Sei tokens for helping to validate and secure the network. And they state on their website that it's easy to stake Sei tokens just by transferring them to a digital wallet that supports Sei staking. Sei was built with speed and performance in mind. Its goal is to be the layer 1 of all DeFi applications, including NFT marketplaces and gaming decentralized exchanges, and aims to solve the trilemma issue of decentralization, scalability, and capital efficiency exchanges face today. Sei was founded in 2022 by Jeff Feng and Jay Jog, who alongside other team members have a wealth of knowledge and experience in the technology and traditional finance sectors, and the mainnet launched to the public on May 3, 2023. Jay Jog, co-founder of Sei, told TechCrunch in a recent article, "Our mission is to build the best infrastructure for exchanges. The blockchain also has projects building games, NFT marketplaces and roll-ups. It's not just DeFi, but other applications that derive demand from trading." The Sei token is used to power their Sei ecosystem, including paying transaction fees, for staking to secure the network, and as a governance token, to allow token holders to have a say in future development and updates on the Sei blockchain. A fun fact to mention is Sei was originally planned to run as a scaling solution on Ethereum, but issues with Ethereum's limited throughput meant it chose the Cosmos SDK mechanism instead, which is an open source framework for building public proof of stake blockchains. It was also announced in December 2023 that Sei would become a carbon neutral blockchain by ensuring any energy used would be taken from renewable sources like solar and wind generated power, which is a massive step for the company. Sei's all-time high price at time of recording is 31 cents. Sei Supply and Tokenomics. The Sei blockchain launched with a total max supply of 10 billion tokens and has a current circulating supply of around 2.1 billion tokens. The Sei token is primarily used to pay for transaction fees on the network and has three main use cases on the platform, including transaction fees. Users can use their Sei tokens to pay for transactions on the network. Staking. Users can stake tokens to help secure the network and earn rewards for doing so. Governance. Users of the network have a right to vote on future updates and upgrades to the Sei ecosystem. The initial token distribution of Sei network is as follows. 48% is allocated to Ecosystem Reserve, 9% is allocated to Foundation, 20% is allocated to Team, 3% is allocated to Launchpad, and lastly 20% is allocated to private sale investors. It should be mentioned that currently the circulating supply of Sei tokens is only 20% of total max supply, and the remaining 80% of the token supply is yet to be released to the market, which is not normally a good sign for the price of Sei. However, looking into this further, if we look at a website called Token Unlocks, which gives us a better understanding of when any future Sei tokens will be released into the market, we can see that the next major unlock appears to be happening in 2025. So what does this mean? It basically means that short term there doesn't appear to be any major token unlock event happening until 2025, which may affect the price, but I would always recommend you do your own research before investing. Sei Roadmap. With any project I research, I like to see a roadmap that outlines how the overall ecosystem is going to improve moving forward, and Sei achieves this mostly with its roadmap, as we can see here. Some recent achievements in Q1 2023 include Sei Testnet 2 launch and Q3 the Sei mainnet launch to the public on May 3, 2023. Moving forward into 2024, Sei have a number of developments which are waiting on government's approval, which include consensus improvements, MEV auctions, and intra-validator sharding. The Exchange Trilemma. To help us better understand why Sei was built to help solve the exchange's trilemma issue of decentralization, scalability, and capital efficiency, the attached diagram shows how the three types of exchanges today, including automated market makers, centralized exchanges, and central limit order books, currently offer some but not all of the three areas of decentralization, scalability, and capital efficiency. Starting with automated market makers, their job is to match buyers and sellers. They are decentralized and scalable but not capital efficient, as we can see. Next we have centralized exchanges, which act as a trading platform and, as the name suggests, are not very decentralized but very scalable and capital efficient. Finally, we have central limit order books, which is a transparent system that matches customer orders, and we can see that they are very capital efficient and decentralized but lack scalability. So overall, we can see Sei offers a real use case and solution with their blockchain technology to help solve the Exchange Trilemma issues. Sei Key Features. The Sei network utilises some key technologies which make it a high-performance DeFi blockchain, which include native order matching engine, which is an on-chain order book that matches buy and sell orders at specific prices and ensures scalability for order book exchanges on the Sei network. Twin Turbo Consensus is a consensus algorithm that improves the latency and throughput by 83%, combining optimistic block processing with intelligent block propagation. And lastly, market-based parallelization allows Sei to perform multiple tasks at once, improving both performance and its scalability, and it achieves this by setting out its markets, i.e. DEX market and NFT market, into a separate set of validators for processing of transactions. Sei Ecosystem. The Sei Ecosystem covers a wide variety of sectors, including DeFi, gaming, NFTs, data, and more. Firstly, looking at the DeFi sector, we can see a wide range of DeFi projects available on Sei, including Black Panther Finance, which is an easy-to-use platform using trading bots to help users profit from yield opportunities in the DeFi marketplace. Next, looking at the gaming sector, we can see a range of gaming projects available, including Blockus, which is an all-in-one ecosystem for Web3 gaming that allows studios to build on-chain gaming features. In the NFT space, we can see a number of projects on Sei, including Dagara, a marketplace to discover, collect, and trade NFTs easily. Finally, within the data sector, we can see a number of projects including Foreverland, which is a Web3 cloud computing platform that integrates storage and computing and enables developers to build on its Web3 infrastructure. Key points of Sei. Sei has several benefits that make it a great Layer 1 blockchain, including fast transaction speeds. Sei can process 20,000 orders per second with a finality time of only 380 milliseconds, making it currently the fastest blockchain around. High security. Sei uses the Tendermint core consensus mechanism, which ensures it's very secure with the aim of becoming the standard for the DeFi economy. Low transaction fees. Transaction fees using the Sei blockchain are very low. Decentralized trading blockchain. Sei is a Layer 1 built and designed specifically for the decentralized trading marketplace. Sei versus Solana. When comparing the ecosystems of Sei and Solana, I looked at some of the main areas of transactional throughput, how many transactions a blockchain can process per second, transaction finality, how quickly a transaction is settled, and current market caps. In terms of transaction throughput, as the chart shows, Sei can process 20,000 orders per second, which makes it a lot faster than Solana's 10,000 transactions per second. When it comes to transactional finality, Solana takes 2.4 seconds, whereas Sei takes only 380 milliseconds, which is incredibly quick. Finally, when comparing current market caps, Sei has a current market cap of around 507 million at the time of writing, compared to Solana's 30.8 billion market cap, making Solana the leader in terms of market value. So to conclude, when it comes to transaction throughput and transaction finality, Sei is the clear winner for me and lives up to the fastest Layer 1 blockchain statement. But Solana is the more established blockchain currently in the market, with a larger ecosystem and marketplace. How many Sei to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Okay, so before we look at the price prediction for Sei in the next bull run, let's remind ourselves of Sei's previous all-time high price, which was 31 cents. This price gave it a market cap at the time of around 671 million. With this information about the previous market cap and all-time high price, let's now look at the current market cap of one of its main competitors, Solana. As we can see, the current market cap of Solana is around 30 billion, and this is in the bear market. So during the next bull run, we would assume Solana's market cap will be much higher, given its all-time high price was $259. On the conservative end of my price prediction, Sei could increase its market cap to around 6.5 billion, and this would give Sei a price of $3. On the higher end of my price prediction, if Sei was able to get to a market cap of around 11 billion, which is still a fraction of Solana's current bear market cap of 30 billion, this would give it a price of $5. I believe a price of $5 Sei is possible in the next bull run. But how many Sei would you need to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Using CoinStats, a crypto profit calculator, if we enter the current price and the predicted sell price of $3, we can see it would require a significant investment of $77,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. If we do the same again, but this time set the sell price at the very high end of our price target prediction of $5, you would need an investment of around $47,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. At the $3 price prediction, you would need to buy around 320,000 Sei, which is an investment of $77,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. At the very high end of our $5 price prediction, you would need to buy around 197,000 Sei, which is an investment of $47,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. Sei Future Outlook. I believe Sei's future outlook looks uncertain at this point in time, given the fact it's very much in the early stages of its journey. However, with the status now of being the fastest layer 1 blockchain on the market, it makes me excited about its future potential. One thing to consider though is the fact only 20% of the Sei tokens are currently in circulating supply, and 80% of the remaining token supply are still set to be released into the market, as I detailed earlier in the video. If you missed it, I would highly recommend going back and watching the tokenomics section, where I explain this in more detail. With all this said, I think Sei has an impressive blockchain technology, giving it a good chance of success against its competitors like Solana, and I look forward to watching to see how Sei can continue to grow and gain further adoption in the next few years. If you like this video, I think you'll like this video next, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified of when I post my next video. Thank you.